Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make an emergency shutdown of your engine of your Audi S4 and A4 Avant. You are on the ride and you have a fail function like a fire burst or something else in your engine bay or something else, a nuke explode and something else also, and you need to shut off the car immediately. If you push once, only on the button, stop, nothing happens. This is a safety thing. But if you like to shut off the engine directly, interrupt the full consumption of the engine, you have to touch 2 times on your button, or more than 3 seconds, you have to push down the start-stop button. After you perform this, the engine is directly switched off. At the beginning you can have steering support, brake support a little bit, but only a little bit. If the engine does not run, it is harder to steer right, left, and it's harder to stop the vehicle by pushing the brake pedal. So take care, but now the engine is switched off. If you like it switch on again, push the clutch down completely, and then of course push again to switch on the engine. Then go away. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and leave a positive feedback. I hope to see you again on my channel. Ciao.